In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Continue with this tab on Google Chrome in just a few quick steps. If you ever open a new tab and see those suggested tabs or cards at the bottom of the page, this tutorial will help you turn that off so your Chrome new tab page looks cleaner and less cluttered. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a more minimal browsing experience. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the plus icon at the very top to open a brand new tab. Once the new tab opens, look to the bottom right corner of the page. You should see the Customize Chrome button, which usually looks like a small pencil icon. Click that button to open the customization panel. After you click Customize Chrome, a side panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This panel gives you different options for changing the look and layout of your new tab page. Now scroll down inside that panel until you find the Cards section. This is where Chrome controls some of the content that appears on the new tab page, including the option related to continuing with tabs. In the Cards section, look for the setting that says Continue with these tabs. Depending on your Chrome version, this may appear as a toggle or a checkbox. To disable it, simply uncheck the box or switch the toggle off. Once you do that, Chrome should stop showing those tab continuation suggestions on your new tab page. That's really all there is to it. You don't need any extensions, advanced settings, or extra software. Just open a new tab, go to Customize Chrome, find the Cards section, and turn off Continue with these tabs. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can follow the same steps and switch it back on again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.